Okay, here we are at RIDGID.com. Very simple. And we're going to come over here to sign in. We want to get into our account. Now, what's interesting is I don't need to sign in here, but it's very important when you buy these tools to register them within 90 days. Really important. So I'm going to come down to my registering a power tool. I already have an account, but I'm going to click sign in. So this just to show you, I purchased and registered these two batteries in 2013. And I was able to get the batteries replaced in November of 2023. So the batteries were 10 years old, and I merely went online and told them, hey, my batteries aren't holding the charge as well as they used to, and they sent me out 2 new batteries. But
lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty for the battery, the tool as well, but you have to register each one of your tools and batteries within 90 days of purchase. That's critical. A lot of people complain because they don't do that in time. Let's go take a look at the unit. Here we are at the original kit that I'd purchased over 10 years ago. These are the original batteries. They actually still carry a charge, but they, again, maybe had half the battery life. It would still work, but not.
There's difference in torque and power?
Definitely difference in torque and power. It just didn't have it. I'll pull this one off. Here's the brand new battery. Basically the same 18 volt, even though it's only 1.5 amp hours. That's what the original one was.
So where's the number that you need to register this?
Everyone has a serial number right here. All the tools have a serial number as well, right across here.
Gotcha, okay.
Even the charger has a serial number. So register everything, each item with its serial number, and much faster. And I'll just recycle those batteries. But boy, what a difference.
Did they ask you any tough questions when you called them? No
tough questions when I called. I just told them these batteries have maybe 30% of the power they used to have, and she sent me out a couple of new batteries. It was fantastic. I was super excited, and these tools have given me a lot of life. So,
how much are these if you had to buy them?
I'm guessing at least $60 if you just go buy a straight battery. So definitely worth it. I don't think any other manufacturer. I don't think any other manufacturer warranties their batteries. So for me, that was the biggest selling point. And these are rock solid tools.
Yeah, DeWalt, Milwaukee.
Exactly.
They don't do any of this stuff.
Sometimes it's $80 or even $100 for a battery. And granted, these are the 1.5 amp hours, but all the batteries, they carry 8 amp hour, or I don't know about 8, but at least a 6 amp hour battery as well.
They didn't want these back?
No, she said just take them to a place and get them recycled.
Are you going to keep them or are you going to actually recycle them?
I'll probably recycle because it's not worth trying to use a battery that doesn't have as strong a charge. I'll just stick with these other ones.
Right on. So
there you have it. 10 years later, going strong.
So Budget Bob loves RIDGID. Can't go wrong. Lifetime warranty.
I love RIDGID and I love BundysGarage.
Never heard of lifetime warranty before.
For the battery.
All my car parts had lifetime warranty.
Exactly. That'd
all right,
be
guys,
sweet.
there you go.
Okay, have fun.
See ya.
Consider RIDGID and get them when they're on sale.
Like when? Like?
Oh, I just bought myself. I bought my son this kit. This kit currently for maybe $160, and I got him a 4 amp hour battery for free. It was a killer deal.
Lowe's, Home Depot?
Home Depot. Home Depot carries it.
Home Depot.
Yeah, definitely look for a sale. Father's Day, graduation, those times of day. They definitely go on sale all the time.
Ask your wife, ask your girlfriend.
That's right.